Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture we discussed electro refining of metals, and today we are going to study another very important industrial process, which is manufacture of sodium carbonate by Solvay process. Now let's discuss in details. Manufacture of sodium carbonate by Solvay process. Sodium carbonate is commonly known as washing soda. It is widely used in glass industry, soap and detergent manufacturing, water softening. Raw material required for the manufacture of sodium carbonate by Solvay process. Solvay process uses the following raw materials: sodium chloride, NaCl brine solution, ammonia NH3, limestone CaCO3, water H2O. Principle of Solvay process. The process is based on the formation of sodium bicarbonate Na2CO3, which is then heated to produce sodium carbonate. Steps of Solvay process. First one, preparation of brine. A concentrated solution of sodium chloride is prepared. Impurities are removed before use. Second one, ammoniation of brine. Ammonia gas is passed through brine. NaCl plus NH3 plus H2O gas NH4Cl plus NaOH. Simplified understanding. Ammonia dissolves in brine. Third one, carbonation. Carbon dioxide is passed through ammoniated brine. Reaction: NaCl plus NH3 plus CO2 plus H2O gas NaHCO3 precipitate plus NH4Cl. Sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 precipitates out. And the fourth one is filtration. Solid NaHCO3 is filtered out. Ammonium chloride remains in solution. Fifth one, heating. Calcination of NaHCO3. Sodium bicarbonate is heated to form sodium carbonate. 2 NaHCO3 gas Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Final product, sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Sixth one, recovery of ammonia. Ammonia is regenerated using LAMCAO. CaCO3 gas CO plus CO2, CO plus H2O gas Ca into OH all taken 2. Then 2NH4Cl plus Ca into OH all taken 2 gas 2NH3 plus CaCl2 plus 2H2O. Ammonia is reused in the process. Advantages of Solvay process. Advantages of Solvay process are economicals. Ammonia is recycled. Raw materials are easily available. Uses of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate are used in manufacture of glass, softening of hot water, making soaps and detergents, also used in cleaning agent. Summary of the manufacture of sodium carbonate by Solvay process. Solvay process is used to manufacture sodium carbonate. Main raw materials is NaCl, NH3, CaCO3. NaHCO3 is formed first, then heated to Na2CO3. Ammonia is recovered and reused. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and manufacture of sodium carbonate by Solvay process. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.